Alright guys, welcome to my home garage. Today we're just getting ready for summer, spring, swapping the tires on the CRV, checking the transmission fluid, and if it looks like it needs changing, or at least drain and fill, which is all you can do on these cars. We're going to do that as well, and an overall view of the vehicle. Alright, let's get going. There's your transmission dipstick, so you're going to pull it out. Put in a safe place. Get yourself a long funnel, like so. And you're just going to drop it down that hole. There we go. Now you can raise the vehicle, drain the fluid, and we can rotate the tires while the fluid's draining. For transmission service, you got to remove this cover here. 2 10 mils. Be careful with these clips. They always break because they get rusty. Shove back in there and screw in your screw slowly after. Your drain bucket underneath. Okay. Get your 3/8 ratchet. You just want to put it in here and always pull towards you. And now you don't know where it's going to go, so take it out slowly. Alright. Make sure you warm up the vehicle before you drain it. Everything will flow better. So if you take a close look, it's about 3.5 liters of fluid that came out of the vehicle. So we're going to put the same amount back. But of course, we're going to check the level. All right. So here we are. We know we need 3.5 liters. So get your Honda transmission fluid or equivalent. I'm using liquid moly ATF 1800. It's approved fluid. If you read right there, Honda ATF, the 2 types, 3.1 DW and the W1. So it's good for Toyota, BMW, everything. Obviously, manufacturer fluid is what I would recommend, but if you have some of this, use it. So that's 1, Leader number 2. Now we just have a half liter to pour back in. So this is approximately a half liter. And then we'll obviously start the vehicle, run it through all the gears, and then check the level properly. When you lift the funnel out, just make sure you cover the hole. Get a mess. Grab your dipstick. So now you want to put your dipstick in, and it only fits one way in that notch, or else you're not going to get a correct reading. Okay. Let's see what we got. So as you can see, it's hard to tell, but we are right on the line. And the fluid was hot before. The first thing we're going to do is start the vehicle. So we ran it through all the gears. So now we take another measurement. And we are perfect. I don't know if you guys can see that line there. We're right below the dot that says hot. In between the two dots. Right there. So we are perfect. As long as your fluid's between that line. And be careful with runoff. You really got to look for that hard line because you can find fluid along here, but really you just want to look for the straight line across, and it's very noticeable when you get an eye for it. So and plus we know we put the same amount of fluid that came out, and the vehicle was running great before it. So that concludes our transmission service. All right, guys. So that's how you swap over to your summer wheels, obviously, and complete a transmission service on a 2012 Honda CRV. It applies to any CRV from 2006 up to 2013, where they switched over to a CVT transmission. So guys, good luck. Keep your vehicle maintained. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day.